All right, so this is a rapids ride that is themed to Cup of Noodles and is some sort of like Cup of Noodles superhero. So let's go check this out.
How's it going?
It's awesome.
All right. So I believe we are going up the noodle conveyor belt of some sort. Yep, this is definitely the noodle conveyor belt. Ah! He's got a fork. Oh crap! Ah! It's in the dark and we are in a rapids ride and there's noodles everywhere. Ah crap! Ah crap! I believe this is some sort of guy with a fork who is like a noodle bad guy. I don't know. I just know he's a guy with a fork and we're noodles. Here we go. I got some buttons here that I have to push. Yay, noodles! More noodles! This is a water ride. Oh my god, we are spinning a lot in this water ride themed to noodles. Oh, there's some sort of cups. Oh, it came down on top of us. All right, we are still in the, look there, there's like they're making the noodles over there. Oh no. Oh no. Here comes the pot of boiling water. Oh, thank God it turned off. Okay, here we go. We're going back into the Cup of Noodles food factory. This is the weirdest rapids ride I've ever seen in my life. Oh crap! Okay, there's some sort of noodle thing. Oh, there's like the noodle. I don't know if he's the good guy or bad guy with the fork. This is so freaking weird. Only in Japan would there be a rapids ride themed to Cup of Noodles. With some sort of weird Cup of Noodles anime. They're fighting with forks. I think if I push the buttons here, it affects what happens on the screen somehow. Oh my god, attack of the fork! And yes, there it is. The final result, the Cup of Noodles. That was absolutely amazing. There was definitely some sort of score, and I don't know how it worked. But there was buttons on the ride vehicle that I was supposed to push, and I kind of screwed that part up. But this ride was screwed up enough as it was, so awesome.